answer direct questions. Take a look at this sequence.
Can you put this away, please? Thank you.
The Prime Minister is attacking Congress party, sir.
राहुल जी, कांग्रेस का क्या मनरेगा को लेकर जिस तरह से लगा राहुल सर, थैंक यू ब्रदर। आप देखिए राहुल गांधी, बिल्कुल आप देख सकते हैं कि
Let's now go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt joining us live right now for more on this. Mohit, speaking from BJP headquarters in the national capital, Prime Minister Modi there spoke about a number of issues. He highlighted a number of issues. One, of course, how the BJP really functions and the kind of vision he has for the party. And he made it very clear that it's Nitin Nabin when it comes to party matters who will be the boss of the party, and he as the Prime Minister will be a Karyakarta. But then we quickly had the opposition, raising questions and in a way mocking the BJP.
Well, in fact, Nitin Nabin has been appointed as the BJP president after the due electoral process. Now, there is a certain process within the BJP that takes place for the election of new president, and that process was followed. Yesterday, the nomination of Nitin Nabin took place, but then there was no other nomination that took place, and perhaps that is why he was declared the winner. And in a way, yes, he was chosen by the top leader of the party, top leadership of the party, to be the national working president, and he was all set to be the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. But all the states have voted in that. All the members of the councils of states, the BJP council meeting of the state, they have voted for it. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi's message today was very important. He said that though I am the Prime Minister, but when it comes to the party matter, or when it comes to the BJP office, Nitin Nabin is his boss. That was a big takeaway from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech, given the fact it clearly shows that how BJP, as they say, that is a cadre-based party, and everybody is a BJP Karyakarta. When you enter into BJP office, when there are internal matters of the BJP, then you become a BJP Karyakarta. Outside, you could be the Prime Minister, you could be the Home Minister, you could be the defense minister, but when you enter the BJP office, when it comes to the matter of the party, then you are a normal Karyakarta, and then a normal Karyakarta will have to report to the party president, that is Nitin Nabin. So that was the main takeaway from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also came down heavily on the urban Naxal, that how he was made as an untouchable by a certain lobby for past many years. And he also spoke about the mindset of the urban Naxal, that how they attack somebody, how they demean somebody, and also to the Congress party, that how there was a time when Congress party used to get 50% vote, but that share has gone down. But yes, we have seen Congress party coming out. They're attacking the BJP, saying that it's kind of a big boss, that anybody could be made the president. There is no electoral process, there is no election, there is only selection. So we see politics over this issue. But then today Nitin Nabin has taken charge as the national president of the BJP. Tomorrow he will be taking an important meeting with the state chiefs of various states, and then the model will be chalked out for next few months, that what exactly would be Nitin Nabin's vision for the party. We know that how the election in the states of Kerala, Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu are all set to come up.
Well, we know that he has his task cut out, and 2026 is going to be a rather interesting year for him as the president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mohit, request you to please stay on with us. Let's once again take a look at this sequence wherein Times Now did try to ask a direct question, and just see, viewers, how Rahul Gandhi responded.
Can you put this away, please? Thank you.
The Prime Minister is attacking Congress party, sir.
राहुल जी, कांग्रेस का क्या मनरेगा को लेकर जिस तरह से लगा राहुल सर, थैंक यू ब्रदर। आप देखिए राहुल गांधी, बिल्कुल आप देख सकते हैं कि
Right, so that was a sequence that we got for you from Rahul Gandhi. Thank you very much, Mohit, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. We have to move on. We are getting some more breaking inputs at this point in time. The news that we have for you is coming in from the Apex Court. And in fact, what we have learned is that during the hearing on stray dogs,